This video is about the diamond knot. Other names have been applied to it, and these are the most common. This knot is attractive and perfectly symmetric. It creates the illusion of two parallel cords passing through a collar. The collar is made up of multiple strands crossing each other at right angles. The collar resembles a 3-lead, 4-bight Turk's head knot. The primary purpose of the diamond knot is to join two cords together. It's a good knot for making lanyards for tools and other things, or a neck lanyard for whistles, charms, pendants, whatever. I also use it a lot for zipper pulls and name tags. Here are a few examples. These are two different types of outdoor roasting forks. I added short, color-coded lanyards and finished each with a diamond knot. I added a handle to my trash grabber. The red increases visibility. Too many lenses in their cases made it hard to find the one that I wanted. Color-coded name tags solved the problem. My key fob is composed of a string of diamond knots. My tennis bag has lots of zipper compartments. Color-coded zipper pulls made for easy access. Yellow for tennis balls, blue for ice water, and red for valuables like money, phone, ID, and so on. Regular 550 paracord seemed a little big for the job. So I used smaller paracord for the red pull, but sometimes these don't hold up too well. The blue and yellow pulls are made from gutted 550 paracord. They last longer, and I like the soft, squishy feel. After passing the cord through an object, make an underhand loop in the left cord of the standing end. Now flip over the right cord to reverse its direction. Lay it in this Y and behind the loop. Reach through the loop and pull up a bight. Pass the bight's working end behind the other working end and through the bight. Flatten and arrange until you have this configuration. It has the same structure of a carrig bend. The working ends emerge diagonally opposite each other, and the carrig bend is tied around its own standing part. The center of the knot can be identified by the diamond shape. Pass the right working end counterclockwise over and around the standing part, under all else, and then up through the diamond center. Do a similar tuck with the left working end. Counterclockwise, under all but the standing part, and then up through the center. Make sure that both working ends emerge together. Let's tie the diamond knot. Pass the cord through an object. Make an underhand loop in the left cord. Flip the right cord up to reverse its direction. Lay it in the Y so that it passes behind the loop. Reach through the loop and pull up a bight. Pass the bight's working end behind the other working end and through the bight. Flatten and arrange into the desired configuration. Make sure that you have a carriage bend with the two ends exiting diagonally opposite each other. Note the standing part which passes through the keyring. Identify the knot center with this typical diamond shape. Pass the right working end counterclockwise over and around the standing part, under all else, and then up through the diamond center. Do a similar tuck with the left working end. Counterclockwise, under all but the standing part, and then up through the center. Make sure that both working ends emerge together. Gently arrange and tighten to get the desired appearance. Once tied, everything is still adjustable. To untie, pull one of the working ends through the knot twice and the other once. There's once. There's twice. Here's the other end. Pull it through and the knot is untied.